Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm the Juicing Foodie. Today we're going to be making a juice that is just perfect for heart health. It is simple and easy and you can make it in the comfort of your homes. It's also a perfect way to begin this festive season. So I have here some cranberries and some red grapes. I'm just going to sanitize them in vinegar water. I have here a red apple which I have cleansed off camera. I'm just going to prep that. So I'm just going to add everything to my blender. Add some water. You could use coconut water if you like. Blend and sieve, guys. That's it. It's that simple. And voila, you have an amazing, warm, heart-healthy, festive drink. Thanks for watching, guys. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. I have many more exciting recipes for you guys during the season of Vlogmas, or shall I say Foodmas. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Ciao!